Beseech. To ask for something very seriously. She beseeched him to help her. They beseeched the judge to be kind. Blight. Something that badly harms or damages something. Pollution is a blight on nature. The disease was a blight on the crops. Bereft. Very sad because you have lost someone or something. She felt bereft after her friend moved away. He felt bereft after losing all hope. Inured. Used to something hard because it happens often. He became inured to hard work after many years. She was inured to the cold weather and did not mind it. Boon. Something that is very helpful or useful. The rain was a boon for farmers. The new road was a boon for the town. Buffet. To hit something again and again with force. Strong winds buffeted the boat. The storm buffeted the trees all night. Grandiose. Very big, impressive, or ambitious. He had grandiose plans for his business. They built a grandiose building in the city. Labyrinth. A place with many paths where it is easy to get lost. We got lost in the labyrinth. The garden had a labyrinth of small paths. Invective. Very angry and insulting words. He used invective against his opponent. The speech was full of invective and anger. Invidious. Likely to make people angry or jealous. It was an invidious decision that upset many people. Comparing friends can be invidious and hurt feelings. Intricate. Having many small details and not easy to understand. The design was intricate and beautiful. It was an intricate problem to solve. Intervene. To get involved to help or stop a problem. The teacher intervened and stopped the fight. The police intervened to end the argument. Bilk. To trick someone and take their money. The scammer bilked many people. He tried to bilk his customers. Boisterous. Very noisy, lively, and full of energy. The children were boisterous at the party. We heard boisterous laughter from the room. Bourgeois. Related to middle-class people or normal everyday lifestyle. They lived a bourgeois life like most families. The area had a simple bourgeois atmosphere. Brusque. Short and a little rude in speaking. His brusque reply surprised me. She was brusque but honest. Bestow. To give something as a gift or honor. The king bestowed an award on him. She was bestowed with a special honor. Dune. A small hill made of sand, formed by wind. The children climbed the dune. We walked across the sand dunes. Eradicate. To completely remove or destroy something. The goal is to eradicate poverty. They worked hard to eradicate the disease. Nexus. A connection or link between things or people. The city became a nexus of trade. There is a strong nexus between education and success. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.